Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Richmond Joe Obona. Today we'll be looking at the everyday conversation and the mistake that we often make in our everyday life. Let's take a look at it. Whenever someone asks you this question, how do you do? Are you supposed to respond by saying, I am fine or I am doing well? No, actually, whenever someone asks you the question, how do you do? Your response should also be, how do you do? Let's take, for example, Mr. A meets Mr. B, and Mr. A asks Mr. B, how do you do? What do you expect Mr. B to say? Mr. B should respond by saying, how do you do? Let's practice it now. Hello, Mr. A. Hello, Mr. B. How do you do? How do you do? Perfect. So when someone asks you, how do you do? You should respond by saying, how do you do? Thank you. Please subscribe and like my video if you find this content valuable.